Hello everybody and welcome back to my very sunny garden here in the UK. It's a beautiful day today and it's time to plant seeds. Well, I'm going to be planting some turnip seeds. We love turnips, lovely with our Sunday roast. Oh, thank you little bird, can you hear him singing? It's lovely to hear nature waking up, isn't it, in the spring? Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, turnips. Got to plant some turnips, and this year I'm going to try it a little bit different. I'm going to give them a head start. A few weeks ago I planted these parsnips. Now they're notorious for being very slow to start, but what I've done with these, I've planted these in these little toilet roll holders that I've got here that I save up. It's good for the environment, not using plastic. Well, I suppose the label's plastic. Anyway, look, these little guys are coming up, bright and perky. I put them in a heated propagator underneath a grow light and they come up very quickly. So I thought, well, if it works for parsnips, it's going to work for turnips, isn't it? It's a root vegetable, so that's what I'm going to do. Here I have these toilet roll holders that I've been saving up, and as you can see, I've blocked the bottom out with some kitchen towel, so I've just got one left to do. And what this does, this will stop any soil that I use from falling through. But not only that, it's biodegradable. So I plant the turnips in here. I just fill these up with soil. Out to there. I'm not going to fill them right up to the top. So these are the turnips that I'm going to be planting. They look good, don't they? Hope they come up like that. And my goodness, look at the tiny little seeds. So if I just put one or two in each one of these containers, and this should give these turnips a head start. I'll also put some out in the garden plot out in the field. So now I just give a little light sprinkling over the top, like that. Not too much, about ½ an inch, that's fine. Then we just give them a little drink, just to help them on the way. And of course, most importantly, we mustn't forget our label. In that goes. And we'll put these somewhere to grow. And here it is, in a heated propagator underneath the grow light. They'll stay there for the next few weeks until they start to burst into life, ready for our dinner. Thanks so much for watching this latest video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it helps you along the way with your gardening. And to all those happy gardeners out there, a very good bye from my garden, and please join me again next time. So without any more further conversation, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.